Hi, today we're actually going to review Unit 2 in the math book, and we're going to start on page 139. And page 139 is looking at matching addition facts. So it says to find a partner. It could be someone at your house or it could be a stuffed animal and you could just pretend. Find a partner, point to a clue. Read the clue. So you might close your eyes and just point. And mine would be 5 plus 4. Then it says, look below the clues to find a match. So you're going to look down here to find a fact that matches what you pointed to. Write the clue letter in the box next to the match. So see these letters that are up here? When you find the match, you're going to write those letters in the box. Find a match for every clue. So I closed my eyes and I found 5 plus 4, and I'm looking down here, which of these looks like it would match 5 plus 4? If I have the part 5 and 4, which one of these has the parts 5 and 4? If I'm looking, I know that I could flip these numbers around and the 4 could go first and the 5 could go next. So my match would be right here. So I would write H in that space. So please pause the video, complete this side of the paper, and then turn the video on and we will check your answers. All right, hopefully you already have this all filled out. Here we have 3 plus 1. Sorry about that, that's our bell. 3 plus 1 is going to be the same as, if I flip it, 1 plus 3, which is right here. So you should have an A in that box. 8 plus 2 is going to be the same thing if I flip it as 2 plus 8. So there's my match. C, 4 plus 3, if I flip them around, will be the same thing as 3 plus 4 right here for letter C. 2 plus 3, if I flip it around, 3 plus 2 right here for letter D. Letter E is 1 plus 2. So if I flip it around, 2 plus 1 for letter E. Letter F is a takeaway. So now I have to be careful. Which one will go with 5 take away 3? Boy, that one's interesting. Look at this. 5 take away 3. 5 is 1 more than 4. 3 is 1 more than 2. Oh my goodness, that was a tricky one. F would come right here because they're just 1 less than each number. Over here, same thing. 8 is 1 less than 9. 0 is 1 less than 1. So it's these two match. That was a tough one. And then H, we already said 4 plus 5 would be if we flipped the add-ins around. All right, let's look on the back. Here we're reviewing a couple different things that we tried with adding. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, work on this page, and when you're done, turn it back on and we'll check your answers. All right, hopefully you have done the work. Over here we have a word list of things that they'd like to make sure you know. We'd like you to know what a doubles fact is when the two add-ins are the same. Fewer, that means less. More would be a greater number, a bigger number. A near doubles fact is a fact that is close to doubles. So instead of 4 plus 4, it might be 4 plus 5. And then you could use your doubles fact to help you find the answer. And then a number line, which we have been practicing. Number 1, circle the addition equation that is shown on the number line. Well, right here I can see the dot, and I know they're starting at a 2. So I can cross this one off, because that's starting with the 1, and I can cross this one off because it's starting with the 3. Both of these are starting with 2s. Let's see how many hops we make. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end at 6. So this one shows start at 2, make 4 hops, end at 6. So you should have circled 2 plus 4 equals 6. Number 2, cross out the parts that do not show doubles facts. Are these the same add-ins? No, they are not doubles. Are these the same add-ins? Yes, they are. So we're not going to cross that one off. 1 plus 2, are those the same add-ins? No, so those are not doubles. So 2 plus 2 is the only doubles. Number 3 says circle the near doubles. So which ones are close? 4 plus 5. Those are very close. That would be a near. You could say 4 plus 4 and then just add one more. 2 plus 7, those are way far away from each other, so those are not near. 3 plus 6 are also far away, so that one would not work. So 4 plus 5 is the one that has the near doubles. Number 4, circle the word that completes the sentence. So we either want more, red, or fewer. Sam has 6 pens and Bev has 4 pens. Bev has 2 blank pens than Sam. Does Bev have more pens or less? Well, Sam has 6, Bev has 4. So who is 4 bigger than 6 or less than 6? It is less, so the word we're looking for here is fewer. And the color red has nothing to do with that. All right, number 5 is one that you're going to have to ask an adult to help you with. It says, write and solve a story problem. Use at least one term from the word list. So you're going to want to try to use one of those words when you are writing your story. All right, please take a picture and send to your teacher. Have a good afternoon.